First, we will set the member M2 as bearing. After that, we can define a new load by right-clicking on Load Effects, New Load. Alternatively, we can choose Load command in the Design tab. A table with all 6 load components is displayed, and when specified, their values appear graphically on the model. These are the internal forces in the node. We can turn on the wireframe view to also see the bending moment diagram. Alternatively, loads can be added via an Excel table with the XLS import tool. We copy and paste the values and indicate whether we are replacing the existing load or adding the new one. Now we have two sets of loads: Load Effect 1 and Load Effect 2. The third option is to import loads from an existing IDE Statica project. Of course, under the condition of the same connection topology. The fourth option, and the one you will use most often, is to import loads from global analysis software. More about that in the next video.